Vanakkam everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a complete long lasting makeup for Bharathanatiyam. This video will be helpful if you are going to perform more than one dance, so if you're going to perform for long hours. Please do check the description for the product details. Here we are using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette from Morphe, and eyeshadow brush you can purchase from any online shops for reasonable price. And here we are using gold eyeshadow. You can buy this from any drugstore. We're using lip liner and lipstick. Maybelline gel eyeliner. It comes with a eyeliner brush. You don't need to buy them separately. Eyebrow pencil and eyebrow spoolie. Mascara from Benefit brand. In this video, we are not going to use mascara. We're going to use the eyelashes. You can buy the eyelashes from any drugstore, different volumes as per your preference. Highlighter from Kiko brand and the blusher from number 7. Bronzer from Hoola brand, and it comes with a brush. These brushes are optional, and we're using all nighter compact powder and all nighter foundation, which is 24-hour coverage. This foundation you will have to choose according to your skin color, but the compact powder has only one shade which can go to any skin color. And we're using the NYX setting spray and the beauty blender. Make a half ponytail and attach the donut bun. And spread the hair evenly and secure them with the hairband. And secure the rest of the hair with the hair clip. Now we're going to make another hair bun with the rest of the hair. Now we're using a hair extension. I have already attached a hairband with the hair extension. You can also use black cord to attach the hair extension. Apply moisturizer to face before applying any makeup product. Give roughly 2 minutes time to get settled and then start applying the makeup products. For long lasting makeup, we always use setting spray before applying foundation. Use a damp beauty blender to pat the foundation gently and blend them all over the face, neck and ears. After applying foundation, we now using the all-nighter compact powder. Again apply setting spray and let it dry completely. When choosing eyeshadow palette, try to choose rose gold or gold shade and earth tone shades. The earth tone shades are best for Asian skin. For the base, it's better to go something similar to this kind of shade. This is called Buns shade. Next, we are using a slightly thinner brush to apply the shade for crease. Always go for a darker tone than your base color. Next, we are using a flat and thin brush to apply shimmer shade to the center of the eyelid. Next, use a sharp brush to highlight the inner corner with a lighter shade. Next, use a fluffy brush to adjust all the outer corners and blend them well. Use a proper heavy highlighter as it's better for stage lights. Highlight under the eyebrow and nose. We're using Maybelline gel eyeliner that comes with a brush. Make sure to fill all the gaps. When you do the eyeline wing, it's always better to draw a small line with your upper lash line, and then you need to draw a thicker line with your lower lash line and then connect the wing. And you also need to connect your inner corner line. Here we are using the same gold highlighter to highlight both corners of the eyes. When you do the eyebrows, always start your eyebrows from halfway towards the end first. Make sure you don't press the pencil firmly, just lightly stroke the pencil towards the end. Always use the eyebrow spoolie to adjust the inner eyebrow for more natural look. This is one of the main hack when you do eyebrows. Make sure to align the eyebrow with the eyeliner wing. Now we are using a slight darker eyeshadow shade to highlight the nose and adjust with your fingertip. And also you can apply some gold highlighter at the end to adjust if you need. Next we apply blusher. We are using number 7 Peach Velvet shade. Next we are applying highlighter using a fan brush to the cheekbone and chin. We are using Urban Cafe lip liner from NYX brand. Smudge the lip liner first and then apply the lipstick. And at last, apply the lip liner again to give more detail. When you do the eyelashes, apply the glue and wait for a few seconds and then stick them. It's always better to secure the netti chutti with eyelash glue. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.